I am Dr. S.B.L. Tripathi, Professor of Physics, Government PG College, Thanagaji. I would like to teach you today BSc Part 2 students reversible and irreversible process. Reversible process. What is reversible process? उत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम. Reversible process is the process by which we can rearrange the things in the same way as we are in previous. उत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम वे प्रक्रम हैं जिनमें उस प्रक्रम को, उस निकाय को, उस सिस्टम के द्वारा पुनः उसी चीज़ को प्राप्त कर लिया जाता है जैसे कि वो पूर्व में थी. रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पानी बनने की जो प्रक्रिया है, वाटर से ठोस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, आइस बनती है, आइस पुनः पानी बन जाता है. सिंपली वर्क को हीट में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है, हीट को लाइट एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है, लाइट एनर्जी को पुनः दूसरे प्रकार की ऊर्जाओं में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. ये जो प्रक्रम है, इस प्रक्रम को उत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम कहते हैं. और उत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम, अनुत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम, इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, अनुत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम. अनुत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम वे होते हैं जिनमें निकाय पुनः अपनी मूल अवस्था को प्राप्त नहीं कर पाता है. दैट इज देयर इज लॉस ऑफ सम एनर्जी, and that energy in the form of internal energy and other types of energy, that is known as the अनुत्क्रमणीय प्रक्रम. Today I am going to teach BSc Part 2 students regarding the Carnot engine, Carnot reversible engine. What is Carnot engine? Professor Sadi Carnot in 18th century invented an engine by which we can have the 100% output. That is, work can be converted into heat, and if we applying work on them, the process will be isothermal and adiabatic. With the help of adiabatic and isothermal process, we have a engine A, B, C and like that. This is A, here is pressure, volume is P1 V1. This is B, here is pressure, volume is P2 V2. This is C, pressure, volume is P3 V3 and V3, and this is D, pressure, volume is P4 V4. Temperature from A to B is constant. This is an isothermal process. Isothermal process is the process the temperature remain constant. प्रक्रम, समतापी प्रक्रम वे प्रक्रम कहलाते हैं जिनमें ताप नियत रहता है. रुद्रोष्ण प्रक्रम के द्वारा हीट को कांस्टेंट रखा जाता है. नाइदर हीट टेकन फ्रॉम द मीडियम नॉर हीट रिजेक्ट टू द मीडियम. न तो ऊष्मा माध्यम से ली जाए और न ही माध्यम को दी जाए. इस प्रक्रम को रुद्रोष्ण प्रक्रम कहा जाता है. यहाँ पर we have a piston, and with the help of this piston, pressure volume is in at position A is P1 V1, temperature is T1. Here is temperature is near about constant, and here this is an adiabatic process, and again from C to D, we are compressing this. This is a compression. This is in expansion. This is also an expansion, adiabatic and isothermal expansion. This is compression, and again we get the same position at A. This is also compression. Temperature is constant. Here temperature becomes T2, T1 to T2, T1 to T2. So in both process, what is the formula? W, amount of work done. What is entropy? What is efficiency of Carnot engine? How you can derive the efficiency of Carnot engine? Efficiency, total amount of work done and the amount of heat. The efficiency can be denoted with the help of efficiency eta is equal to W upon Q1. Q1 heat taken from the source and Q2 heat reject to the sink. So Q1 and Q2 amount of heat. So W is the total amount of work done. What is W? W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. This engine is working between source and sink, here to here, and again this is there is a system. So this is the known as, this is source and this is sink. Source amount of heat eta is W upon Q1, Q1 minus Q2, the amount of total work done W Q1 minus Q2, and this is Q1, total amount of. So eta is nothing but this is 1 minus Q2 upon Q1, like that. If Q2 is equal to 0, without, we are applying this system. This is Carnot engine, simply a best model of reversible process. My dear students, I would like to clear you a picture that this is the best. Professor Sadi Carnot derived this engine first of all as a reversible engine. In reversible engine, loss of energy don't takes place. There will be no loss of energy. कोई ऊर्जा की क्षति नहीं होती है. ऊर्जा की क्षति नहीं होती है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इसकी जो एफिशिएंसी है, इसकी जो दक्षता है, कार्नोट इंजन की जो दक्षता है, इफ Q2 इज इक्वल टू 0, सिंक प्रभावित नहीं रहता है. सोर्स से कुछ लिया, कार्य किया, ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोसेस चालू हुई और इस प्रोसेस के तहत ईटा इज इक्वल टू 1. इट मीन्स दिस इज 100% एफिशिएंट इंजन. 100% efficiency is here in Carnot engine. So this is the process of reversible process. Such as engine, there is a refrigerator. What is refrigerator? What is refrigerator? This is the efficiency of Carnot engine. You can go through video by making notes from any textbook and taking the simple example by isothermal expansion and adiabatic expansion and isothermal compression and adiabatic compression, we will get the same position. This is the diagram between pressure and volume. So this is the complete system. But in refrigerator, what is the principle of refrigerator? Principle of refrigerator. Principle of refrigerator means we are taking energy from lower source. ऊष्मा स्वतः ही निम्न ताप से उच्च ताप की ओर प्रवाहित नहीं की जा सकती है. ऊष्मा के प्रवाह के लिए, for the flow of energy can be done with the help of higher temperature to lower temperature. उच्च ताप से निम्न ताप की ओर ऊष्मा का प्रवाह संभव है. ऊष्मा का प्रवाह निम्न ताप से उच्च ताप की ओर स्वतः ही नहीं किया जा सकता है. उसके लिए हमें कुछ वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा सिस्टम पर. अच्छा, सिस्टम पर वर्क डन करने के लिए जो वर्क डन होगा सिस्टम पर, उससे ली जाएगी, कार्य किया जाएगा. It means epsilon. This is W upon Q2, like that. So this is Q1 minus Q2 upon Q2, like that. This is amount of work. इसमें क्या किया जाता है? सिस्टम Clausius, there is a scientist named Clausius. Clausius give two statement. Clausius theorem first, Clausius theorem second. Clausius theorem first and Clausius theorem second. You have in your reference book, textbook, any textbook. Both theorems are very important. First theorem what said? कि ऊष्मा स्वतः ही निम्न ताप से उच्च ताप की ओर प्रवाहित नहीं की जा सकती है. Clausius second statement is also correct. Kelvin and Clausius statement, this is Kelvin and Clausius, both are contemporary to each other. As the Kelvin scale of temperature means this is the perfect scale of temperature, and Clausius statement derived that without doing any work we can't propagate, we can't flow the energy from lower temperature to higher temperature. So this is the simple aspect of Clausius theorem. If the Clausius theorem is correct, Kelvin statement is wrong. If the Kelvin statement is right, Clausius. And simultaneously one thing will work because both are the same thing. So that is the principle of reversible process, irreversible process, and principle of refrigerator, Carnot engine efficiency and efficiency of refrigerator, Clausius statement, Kelvin statement, like that. This is the lesson for today. Okay? Jai Hind.